Hello everyone, welcome to this quick yoga tutorial that I prepared to you today. Today we're going to go through a quick and easy yoga exercise that can help you with panic attacks and anxiety. I use this exercise a lot because I have flight anxiety, so sometimes I don't really like turbulences, and I use this exercise to calm myself down. I completely know how it is to lose control of your body and start shaking and getting nervous, because airplanes do that to me. But once I learned this exercise, it really was a game changer for me, and I can practice whenever I want. And as a bonus, if you're also stressed and having a difficult day, if you go through this exercise with a longer intensity, this could also benefit you. So basically, you need nothing to practice but yourself. And what you can do, if you have the possibility, is to have a moment somewhere quiet to sit by yourself. But if that's not accessible, you need to first take your hands from whatever you are, and place them over your knees. And the first thing I want you to do with me is to close your eyes if possible. And the first part of this breathing exercise, it's actually mental. I want you to start paying attention and the tension on your fingers and hands, because this is the first place in our body that starts showing the signs of the stress when we are anxious, stressed, or having a panic attack. We tend to hold into things and to tense our hands. So take a deep inhale here with me and focus on the sensations on your finger. So that's what I want you to do, just for 4 breaths. And after the second breath, I want you to let go of the tension on the joints and in the wrists and your hands. And once that you reach that point, we're going to do a 4 counts breathing exercise. So what I want us to do is that we're going to breathe counting on 4, hold counting on 4, exhale counting on 4, and then hold it with no air counting on 4. And we're going through this cycle for 4 times, okay? So let's take a deep inhale and collect all the air from our lungs and exhale through our mouth. Let go of all the tension. And let's inhale together in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it on 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale in 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold it with no air for 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's inhale once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 4. Let go of any tension of your body. 3 of your hands. 2, 1. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold it for 4, 3, 2, 1. Once more. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 4. Let go of the tension of your hand. 3 of your shoulders. 2 on your face. 1. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let that stress melt away and hold it for 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to inhale slow into 4, 3, inhale, 2, 1, hold it for 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale all the stress, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold it, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let go of this count, inhale and exhale naturally. And feel the points of your body, of tension on your body, how they change, how your breathing is more calm or controlled, how your hands are relaxed. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes with me. You can practice this exercise for as long as you want, for as long as you need. If you need to keep going a little bit longer with the countdown, do it. But the moment you connect your breath and mind, you can control your thoughts. And I can only hope that this exercise helps you. If you like this quick tutorial, please let me know here in the comments and leave me a like. And if you like meditation, yoga, and other subjects of mindfulness, please subscribe to my channel. There is a lot of beautiful things happening here. I wish you have an incredible day. I wish you can control your thoughts and your feelings. And from my heart to yours, Namaste.